Welcome to the recorded demo video for the Property Tax Management System for Citizen. This video will introduce you to the system's features and functionalities. Visit the official eGov portal to access the application. Click on the Citizen Login option in the system interface to access Citizen functions. Select the Property module from the list of available options. Then choose the Attach Holding option from the subsequent menu that appears. After selecting the module, the Citizen Login page will appear. Enter your designated mobile number and password in the respective fields provided, then click on the Login button. After logging in as a citizen, proceed to enter your holding number to continue with the process. Upon submitting your holding number, the associated property details will be displayed. Select the Attach option to attach the holding. After selecting the Attach option, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and then click the Submit button. A confirmation message will be displayed indicating that your holding has been successfully attached. Clicking the View option allows users to view the property details. To apply for bifurcation, the user will select the property option on the dashboard and then choose the division of property in subdivision option from the drop-down menu. To proceed, please enter your holding number then click on Submit button. Property details associated with the holding will be shown. Proceed by clicking the Apply option. Enter the received OTP, then click the Submit button. Upon submission, the user will be redirected to Step 1 to fill in the required basic information, including transfer mode, sale value, bifurcated date of purchase, date of purchase. After completing the first step, proceed by clicking on Save and Next option. After completing the first step, a new page will be displayed in the second step for filling in the property address and details. Enter the bifurcated area of the plot in square feet. Tick the checkbox if the corresponding address is the same as the property address, then proceed by clicking on the Save and Next option. In the next step, if the user wants, they can fill in the details, otherwise, they can proceed further. In Step 4, the user has to fill in the owner's details, such as owner's name in Marathi, gender, date of birth, mobile number, Aadhaar number. If the user wishes, they can fill in the PAN number and email. Otherwise, they can proceed further. Step 5 requires the user to select the Edit option and fill in the required floor details, including bifurcated carpet area in square feet. From date. Once you've updated the floor details, click the Save and Next button to continue. In the next step, if the user wants, they can fill in the details, otherwise, they can proceed further. The user will be redirected to the Property Details and Tax Details page. Proceed by clicking the Send to Approval option. After submitting the form, the user will see a confirmation message with the SF number and the total tax payable. Return to the Property dashboard and select the Pending Applications option to view the list of pending applications. Select your application and click on the downward arrow icon to access the Document Upload option. Click the Upload button to proceed. To upload owner documents, navigate to the View option under Owner Documents and upload the document. To upload photograph, select Document Type, then choose the image using the Choose File. After selecting the image, click on Upload button. To upload a ID proof, select Document Type, then choose the file using the Choose File. After selecting the image, click on Upload button. To upload application form, Select Document Type, then choose the file using the Choose File option. After selecting the file, click on Upload button. Similarly, the user will upload the remaining documents one by one. After all documents are uploaded, click on the Send to Next Level option. Return to the Property dashboard and select Pending Applications to check the status of your application. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Please do like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest videos.